What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to look about color and the color picker, how you can use it to enhance your workflow and to make awesome design. We'll also look at how to use the color picker to save your color to your color gallery. So thank you so much and let's dive right into it. Okay, the first thing we need to understand is this color picker. Color picker only comes up when you hold the I key down. Your cursor is going to change. Okay, it's going to change to this guy. Okay, it automatically switches, but you can actually come here and look for the color picker itself. Okay, this is what it is. Okay, this one. Okay, let's long press so that we see all other hidden icons. Okay, so many persons may not know this, but there are other functions that are other tools that are supposed to be here, but they are not here. They only come up when you click on this last option. Let me click off again so that you see it. Oh, let me click on another tool. You see this one that has this 3 dots. Okay, there are so many tools in there. Okay, it only shows the last tool that you use from it whenever you activate it. Okay, what I simply mean is if I should come inside here and I pick, let's say this count tool. Okay, this count tool, and I switch to another tool. Okay, if I come back here, it's going to switch back to the count tool because that was the last one that I used. Okay, if I should use the eyedropper tool and I click off to another tool, I come back, the eyedropper tool is still going to be activated. Okay, but you can be using another tool, for instance, and still switch to the eyedropper tool without you actually coming to select the eyedropper tool here. So the best way that you do is to hold down your I key. Okay, as you hold down your I key, it's going to switch. What this means is once you click on any color now, it's going to pick it and drop it into your swatches here. Okay, so just watch your swatches while I click on this. Hold down the I key and click. Okay, black added, gray added, white added. Okay, I want to add this one, so let's click. You can see that they've all been added to the color swatches. Okay, so we have from here to here now as the color. Okay, so one thing you need to understand is how do you save this color so that next time you don't come back to start dragging in your color and be picking them all the time. So how you do it is to actually simply create a folder. This way you create folder. Remember, you should be in swatches. If you can't see it, you go to window, then we have swatches. Okay, just click, it's going to come up. So let's say apple color for instance, and let's just click OK. So now we have a folder here called apple. Okay, now it's a subfolder of this my color palette because I can see that this one is open, then it was under it. Okay, I want it to be on its own, so I want to drag it until you see the line like that and drag it. Now it's on its own. Okay, now to bring this color into this folder, because absolutely you can see nothing because there's nothing in there, is to click this plus icon. While this one is still selected, just click plus. Now it's going to ask you what color is this. I think I should call this orange. In order to keep things fast, I may not be able to save the names right now, so but what I will do is just that I will just click and save them. Okay, but this way you can actually rename them. Okay, let's click OK. Now let's activate this second one. Okay, by selecting it's not going to paint anything because nothing is selected for it to be painted, but we're just going to activate it by clicking on it so that we can save it. Because if you come here, you can't drag. That's one bad thing. You can't drag and say, okay, let me save it here. No, it doesn't work that way. So it must be selected. So you click this one and just come here, and it's going to say what color is that, give it a name. So you activate the next one, you click the plus icon, you give it a name. Okay, now you have it saved up. Okay, so next time now that you want to work, you don't need to even come here and start dragging this into your timeline to work with. Okay, I don't work with Apple company, so I don't think I'm working with it, that's why. But in case you're working for a brand and you have their color palette, you can just do this and save it once into your Photoshop. You can just tell me the name of the client, the folder. I just give the folder the name of the client, so that next time when you are working, you just work straight. Okay, so that's one thing you need to understand. So the next thing is I want to combine some color. Okay, let's take the one of Google. Let's just drag into our timeline for instance. Yes, I want to work with this color. Okay, what I simply do is I hold down the I key and I just click on this 4 rather, and I select my object and I delete it. Okay, by doing this, I've already put them here, so I can just come here now and say, okay, you, I want you to be this color. You, I want you to be this color. You, I want you to be this color. This is just me walking randomly here, okay? You, I want you to be this color. So first I select the color, then before using the color, okay? I just select it, do away with the object, and just start working with the color. So that's how color actually work, the color mixer. And I hope you find this helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is the 14th day of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.